Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool picture and text effect in Canva. I don't know why I just typed in pizza, but I'm going to use this font and I'm going to type in the word pizza. You can change the color of the text if you'd like to. Copy and paste it, go to effects and select the hollow. It is a little bit similar to the one we did before. Then go to elements. I'm just going to type in pizza. You can type in anything you want, of course. I'm going to add this one in. Then you are going to select layers or select Alt 1 and you're going to place the pizza in between the text and the outline here. It is a little bit better if you do use a person or maybe like this slice of pizza instead, because you'll still be able to see like the cutout here of the word. So yeah, that is it. Maybe make the outline a little bit thicker as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!